Renovated country house. This house has 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, 1 bathroom with shower. It has 1 open space to finish and still has the possibility to build 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on the upper floor. The villa has main waters, electrical installations, completely new roof and beams, double glazed windows and a fireplace. Plot of land with 16,000 square meters, consisting of olive trees and bushes. It is located 10 kilometers from Tomar and 3 kilometers from Agroal beach by bike tracks and many other beaches along the Nabão river. Discover this property situated in a quiet village and book your visit now with Imo-Templários.